Hello and welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. Thank you so much for joining me over these past 9 days of glorious Advent opening. I will explain at the end of the video that the schedule is going to change slightly, just a little bit, as we have some things going on, but I'll get more into that later. For now, let's head right into the yarn. First up, you guessed it, Ruby and Roses. Day 9, Ruby and Roses. Evergreen Market. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, isn't that pretty? That one's pretty too. I like that color. I could see that in a pair of socks or something. I'm still working on that other thing that I was telling you about. Well, I really haven't told you much about it because it's a secret, but it would look good in that too. Saw Yarn Company is Tweedle D-Dip. I love the names. I love, love, love the names. Oh, and this one has a gifty in it. Let's look at our gifty. Oh, it is a cute little teapot. A teapot stitch marker. That is adorable. So cute. And the yarn, wow. Yes, that is a very bright, beautiful yellow. I can't wait to get all these opened, honestly. I just cannot wait. So many ideas rolling around up here in the noggin for these. Love it. Love, love, love it. Well, like I said last week, I'm just going to make these shorter now. I know people don't want to spend 20-30 minutes a day watching these videos, and at the end of the week I'm probably going to be filming Friday through Tuesdays together in one, because we've got some things going on. Nothing health-wise, but my mom is gonna be able to get a little bit of a break, so I'm going to take her shopping, and we may go somewhere overnight, something like that. She needs this little break, and so that's what we're gonna do. But I still want to be able to give you guys the Advent. Okay, guys, I don't really have much more to say than that. I'm trying to keep these short and sweet. So until next time, stay happy, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.